afternoon everybody, or morning, whatever time you're watching. It's afternoon for us. Holly's pushing me on the path. What is the problem, Hol?
There's a car.
It's a one-way street, love, so if there's a car coming we'll see it this way.
It's down now.
So me, Holly and Ben are going to the beach. I came the other day by myself because they didn't want to, they were fine doing their own thing. So I came by myself. Oh, it's lovely down here, absolutely lovely. You can see the planes coming into land as well, like every sort of 3 or 4 minutes there's a plane coming in, and because the airport's not too far from here, they scoop over the bay really low. I'll try and get some on film. You can almost
on
like
film?
Yeah, on film. On a film. So I'll try and record a bit, and you can almost like see the writing on the planes as well. If you zoom in, you might be able to see which plane it is. I need one of those flight path finder things so I can like see which flight's coming in from where, you know, like those flight, I love those flight programs. I just sit and watch LAX flights live sometimes, just watching the planes coming in and out. And it's fascinating. So I might start doing that. Yeah, I'll vlog the planes. So we're just on our way down to the beach. See you soon. Can't believe it, I've just been at the spa and guess what they've got in stock? Cordial juice, and not just that, but orange. It's the orange that tends to go the first, so I've just got 3 orange juices, 3 Robinson's orange juice and 1 Robinson's blackcurrant. I feel like a winner.
Much later.
It's now evening time. Been at the beach. Chris has done a load of DIY this weekend. Put the shoe tidies up and Ben's TV cabinet, so that's all done. And tonight Holly's playing violin at Amigos, and then it's karaoke, which Chris is hosting as he is karaoke king. So I'm just going to walk Teaser around Cala Llonga, give him a little walk before we sit down for a few hours, so I'll give you a little tour around. This little bar here is Teaser's favourite bar. He pulled to go up here last night, so we had to follow him, obviously. A lovely little local bar. Bassoa, the one, I think we did a vlog in here the other night. It's really nice, really quaint, I love it. So we're just walking down here, past the apartments. Come on, Tease. Keep stopping for Teaser, have his sniff. It's a lovely time of day now because it's nice and cool. Better for Teaser. Right, I've got a feeling this is actually the cinema, the beach cinema that they put up. On a Sunday they're showing different shows throughout August. So yeah, that must be what it is. I just think it looks like a giant TV. And it is. So I'm going to have a little walk on this side. This is the beach on an evening, lots of games going on. The aeroplane. You see the Balearia ferry right out in the distance. We're crossing to Mallorca or the mainland. Lots of yachts out there today. So do excuse me, I'm trying to vlog and walk the dock. You can actually catch the ferry here from Cala Llonga round to Santa Eulalia, Formentera, Ibiza town. Different there's a nice little rocky bit here with some shrubs and things, so I'm not teasing down here. I've seen other dogs down on this, but it's not technically the beach starts around here, so it's a little bit of an area and a teaser to have a sniff. There's the cinema there, look. Portable cinema on the beach, they've got a little popcorn thing going off there. Here's snacks. Cool. Here, Holly already playing. So me and Teasy are just walking back to Amigos now. I have to be careful down here because this is where all the cats hang out, and Teasy knows, look, he's trying to look under the cars because he knows that's where they sleep, especially during the day when it's hot. So if I look over here, you can see their little bowl. It's like a little cat yard. There's one over there, a little black one. Oh, and there's one right in front of me. Right, I'm gonna, oh, he's moved. So sometimes I actually lift Teaser up past the cats because they're unpredictable. Teaser just wants to say hello. Look, he's looking. Where's that cat gone? Where's that cat? He was here a minute ago. There, he's under the car, Teaser. That's the stage there that they had up last night for a band, a rock band. It was really loud, it was fab. You could hear it down the road. So they've got entertainment on over there. And this is Amigos. Such a lovely setting in here, it's lovely. We love it. So I'm going to go and see where Ben's chosen for us to sit. Oh, there's Dan and Holly. Lovely in here. Powered up my garden. Hello.
Hello. We're live streaming at the moment as well.
Wow,
so
live streaming,
we're just on
guys.
there at the moment.
Yeah. I've just seen the beach cinema being set up.
Oh right, for tomorrow, isn't it?
It's today, isn't it? Sunday. They've got the popcorn stand up and everything.
Oh right,
Sundays.
Okay. Oh right.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Right, okay.
So we're set up here. Here's Ben.
Yeah.